Alright guys, we're back working on the Audi. It's December 15th. We got one last really nice day here in Wisconsin, Minnesota. It's about 65 degrees out right now. It's supposed to be some major windstorms coming up later today. I did get some new wheels for this. I'm going to get those put on. But first, I'm going to do a block test kit, or basically this kit tests for combustion leaks, so it's supposed to work for head gasket failures and that kind of stuff too. Never used one before, so gotta figure that out. Alright, so how this works, it's just got some blue fluid here. You fill this up to the fluid level, and on this case there's no radiator cap, so you have to use the expansion tank. The car has to be running and warmed up. And you're just drawing air up through the fluid, which if there's any combustion gases in the fluid, that'd tell you that there's a blown head gasket. So we'll get this thing warmed up and go from there. We've got some nice blue fluid in here, as you can see. So we just put it on here like that. Supposed to do this for about a minute. We'll start a little timer. You just draw air up through this thing for a minute. If it changes color, that means there's exhaust fumes in the antifreeze. Yellow, or greenish yellow, like that. Best case scenario, it should stay blue if there's no problem. Okay, let's do it. 1 minute. There we go. As you can see, that's kind of a yellowish green. That means there's definitely a problem with the head gasket or something. So kind of what we figured, but not what I wanted to see. Alright guys, so this is going to be a short video. As you saw, that test did indicate there's a problem with the head gasket. So next up, we're actually going to pressure test this coolant system just to make sure that there is a leak. But I don't have the gear to do that, so I've got to order some adapters to be able to test that. So for now, I'm just going to throw the wheels on and park it back in the garage, and hopefully get back here this weekend to work on it. So the shop I'm working in is about an hour away from where I live. This is my parents' shop, so it takes me a little bit to get here. I did go with some Sparco wheels. Probably not everybody's favorite. I wanted to do kind of a retro rally car look almost, and I had some trouble finding wheels for this that were the right size. I tried to order from a few different online places and nobody had them in stock, and they were back ordered. So I finally went with Tire Rack. They had these in stock. So I went from 14s to 16s, and then I went quite a bit wider too. So we'll get these on here and see how they look. Alright guys, here's what it looks like with the new wheels and tires. May not be everybody's thing, but I like the old white sparkles like that. I wish I could have found the ones with the red lettering, but couldn't find those in time. So next up is just to, well, it still needs major engine work, interior work, body work, suspension work. But it's got brand new wheels and tires and a new clutch, so at least I've got that going for me, which is nice. Anyways, join me next time and watch me make some more poor financial decisions, and we'll pressure test that coolant system and see what else we need to do to the motor. Thanks for watching.